All right, just got this package in from Amazon. My sister-in-law actually showed me one of these, and I knew I had to have it. Again, this item is absolutely incredible. It is a tactical flashlight from Sharvol. This flashlight has some incredible distance and light up power. So let's break into the box here. It's always fun trying to get these things open. Ooh, check this out. Nice case. Look at that. Was not expecting that at all. That's pretty awesome. She didn't tell me it came with a little case. What? Had no idea it came with all this. Look at this, guys. This is incredible. Very cool. Actual little carrying case that you can clip onto your belt. Oh, that's cool. So it's got Velcro and then also a snap right there. Very neat. But it's actually a relatively small flashlight, but the throw on it is absolutely incredible. Let's see. I don't know if it's actually got anything in it at the moment. Yeah. So let's check it out here. Got your lithium ion battery here in this cool little case. Just take that out and let's see here. Well, there's only two ways it can go, right? Just pop that down in there. And let's give it a go here. Look at that. Has multiple settings too. So that's kind of the dimmest setting, and the next, that's the brightest. Of course, I'm in a lit room, so it's a little harder to tell. But if you go outside, this is absolutely incredible. Oh, that's the brightest. There we go. Pretty cool little flashlight though. Very small, very powerful. Should definitely check it out. Super well made. It's very solid. It's got another clip here that you can use to clip onto your belt if you don't want the carrying case. Looks like it comes with recharging cable so that you can recharge the lithium ion battery. Yeah, so there that is. But yeah, what a pleasant surprise with this case. Had no idea that it came with this. So it's got a little lanyard there if you want to clip it onto the end. Just open that up and give that a look. Is that paracord? That may be paracord. Very nice. Very, very nice. Extra seal for the end should you lose it. And a comment card. Very cool. Very cool. Really like this flashlight. You should consider purchasing.